Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. So actually today very hot, and as you can see, today's weather very sunny day. Okay, and after many days, I am here. Actually, this is a airport area. Okay, and this is a field, and here uh, are people's play cricket and like another game, football. Okay, play. Okay, actually, uh, I feel like very hot. Okay, so actually last 12 days I make video Uttara Phonang sector. Okay, and last 2 days I cannot make video inside because right now uh, uh, right now my exam. Okay, so today's my exam second day. Okay, so that's why uh, I pre I prepare for exam. So I have to go my college. Okay, and my college uh, area, uh, New Market. Okay, and as you know, my college name Dhaka College. Okay, and uh, actually I am a student, honors final year. Okay, so that's why I have to go my college, and actually I have no preparation. Okay, so that's why actually I have no preparation. Okay, so I am a not bad student. Okay, so actually I am trying something learn and something reading, but uh, uh, today's very busy. So that's why uh, so that's why I cannot read my academic. Okay, uh, okay, so okay, so right now I am walking. Okay, and as you can see, today's weather uh, very hot. Okay, and sunny day, and today's weather, as you can see, today's sky. Okay, okay, actually this place my favorite place, so that's why I came here and I make video and completed my video uh, like my college. Okay, so don't worry, actually this is a practicing video. I don't know what I say, and uh, actually this is a practicing video. Okay, right or wrong doesn't matter, but every day I am trying, like some make video and like some practicing. Okay, so that's why uh, I make video. Okay, and as you can see, actually this is a uh, public area. All time people comes and go. Okay, uh, only just 2 days I cannot make video outdoor. Okay, so today's I feel my confidence low. Okay, so actually this is uh, a habit. Okay, so day by day practice. Okay, and our like confidence improving. Okay, So don't stop speaking, because speaking is very important, every beginner learner for. Okay, so today's very nervous, uh, me. Okay, so thank you so much watching this video, and I hope you learned something this video and enjoyed with me. Okay, so thank you so much watching this video, and see you soon in the next video.